Cannot unlock iPhone with broken screen? Worry about your personal data before sending it to repair. This video will show you how to unlock iPhone with broken screen. Run PassFab iPhone Unlocker or get it from the link in the description. Now, connect your iPhone to the computer. Choose Unlock Lock Screen Passcode. Click Start. Quickly press volume up and volume down button and the hold power button to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Download the firmware. Click Start Unlock. Wait for a while. Now your iPhone has been erased, you can send it to repair.